Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, nostalgic and nature-inspired interior design style that blends old-fashioned charm with jagged simplicity. It celebrates the beauty of aged materials, natural textures, and cozy lived-in spaces. This decor style is perfect for those who love a home that feels collected over time, grounded in history, and connected to rural life. Key elements of vintage rustic farmhouse decor. Vintage charm. Incorporate this antique or distressed furniture, armoires, old trunks, enamel art, and farmhouse tables. Uses time-worn accents like rotary phones, lanterns, chipped picture frames, and weathered mirrors. Use rustic materials, reclaimed wood, exposed beams, and chip-lap walls. Add texture and natural warmth. Stone, iron, and galvanized metal are often used in lighting, hardware, or wall decor. Use old leather, burlap, cotton, linen, and green sack fabric are common in upholstery and accents. Neutral and earthy color palette. Main colors is cream, beige, teal, brown, soft gray, and muted white. Accents: olive green, rust, navy, faded red, and mustard yellow. Farmhouse inspired features: apron front sink, vintage pockets, and industrial pendant lights. Use barn doors, iron hooks, and old iron shelving are typical. Its cozy layered textures, soft quilted throws, oven baskets, old rugs, and plate or gingham patterns. Add warmth through handcrafted items, crocheted pages, and vintage linens. Use functional vintage decor. Decor doubles as a storage or display. Old milk crackers, mason jars, and wooden ladders. Wall decor includes antique sign, firm tools, or botanical prints. Typical rooms with this style: living room, use slip-covered sofas, wooden coffee tables, lanterns, gallery walls with old frames. Kitchen, use open shelves, vintage canisters, rustic wooden tools, vodka block counters. Bedroom, use iron beds, patchwork quilts, chippy painted dressers, and lace curtains. Dining room, farmhouse tables, mixed matched chairs, and a couch with this display. Why people love it? It feels warm, nostalgic, and personal. Easy to mix with chitted or DIY items. Encourages sustainability through reuse and repurposing. Makes any home feel inviting and full of character. Here is more in-depth information about vintage rustic farmhouse decor, including its history, layered designs, philosophy, material choices, and ways to personalize it for a truly authentic look. The history behind vintage rustic farmhouse decor. Vintage rustic farmhouse style takes inspiration from early American farmhouses 18th to 1940s, where function was priorities and decor evolved naturally over time. Homes built with locally sourced wood and stone, often with handmade furniture and minimal ornamentation. The Great Depressions and post-war periods, when reusing and repurposing became essential, influencing the current love for salvaged items. This style today honors the resourceful, humble, and practical way of life of rural living, but adds warmth, style, and thoughtful creation. In tipped materials and finishes to achieve the authentic feel of this style. The choice of materials matters. Iron and metal. Both iron and aged metals, rust or matte, show up in hardware, curtains, round, bed frames, lighting fixtures, and baskets. Think galvanized tubs, chickenware, or metal milk jugs. Stone and brick. Interior stone walls or exposed brick chimneys add rustic authenticity. Even fox finishes can replicate this natural old wall texture. Chippy paint and distressed surfaces. Furniture with own-aged chip paint and faded colors creates a sense of imperfection equal beauty. Furniture style in vintage rustic farmhouse. Heavy solid wood pieces for big farmhouse tables, bench setting, and vintage hutches. Mixed matched styles combining antique pieces with rustic elements. Embrace imperfection, cracks, uneven finishes, and handmade qualities are encouraged. Signature textures and patterns. Texture is crucial in this decor style. It adds comfort, coziness, and rustic charm. Use layered lines, cotton, burlap, and wool for bedding and contains natural textures, oven baskets, sisal rugs, and handmade pottery. Patterns: gingham, chicken stripe, choil, buffalo check, and vintage floral. Decor accents that make the look vintage sign on old advertisements, old clocks, typewriters, rotary phones. Wooden crates for storage and decoration. Use art baskets, animal pictures, glass glosses. Farm animal motifs, cows, chickens, sheep, and horses. Botanical prints, seed packets, or framed pressed flowers. Ways to personalize the style: cheap and salvage. Look for items with history. Flower markets, estate sales, and salvage yards. Embrace DIY. Turn old ladders into shelves or crates into storage bins. Mix new with old. Modern comforts like new appliances or upholstery can still blend in. Just balance them with vintage or rustic finishes. Highlight heirlooms is inherited or sentimental items, old dishes, coins, and tools, all decorate with meaning. Keep it cozy and inviting. Add layered lighting, table lamps, string lights, and sconces. Lots of soft furnishings, throw pillows, cushions, puffs, and rugs. What makes vintage rustic farmhouse unique? It It's a blend of three distinct aesthetics: vintage, aged, nostalgic features like enamelled typewriters or lace linens. Rustic, rough textures, natural materials, raw finishes like raw wood or stone. Farmhouse, for functionality, comfort, and countryside influences like apron front sinks, barn doors, or open shelving. Together, this creates a style that owned but welcoming, strict but homey, and casual but crafted. Core design philosophy lives in our perfect. Every scratches, tint, or patina tells a story. Imperfections are embraced. Nothing should feel too new or too polished. Function plus beauty. Decor items are often usable. Old baskets store blankets, messenger hold utensils, or a vintage ladder becomes a towel rack. Collected, not coordinated rooms are built up over time with layered finds from markets, hand-me-downs, and DIY pieces. Avoid matchy furniture sets. Instead, mix areas, finishes, and textures. Signature lighting and fixture. Lighting is essential in setting the vintage rustic tone. Use messenger pendant lights. Also use lantern sconces, rustic candelabras with wood and iron, exposed bulbs with antique finishes. Add soft table lighting for a warm glow and mix in candles, especially in vintage holders. Decor themes and natural touches. Farm animals use illustrations or sculptures of cows, sheep, chickens, or horses. Botanicals, jade flowers, herbs in tin pots, or pressed flowers in frames. Gardening elements, watering cans, seed packets, and terracotta pots. Season matters. Rotate decor with simple seasonal touches like pine cones, pumpkins, fresh greens, etc. Want to find the right beaches, flower markets, strip the stores, and listed sales. Online vintage marketplaces like Stay or Facebook Marketplace. Repurpose what you already own. Stand out, repaint it, and stage it. Craft fairs or handmade shops for rustic own of a kind pieces. Final tips to master the style. Edit gently, don't overcrowd your space. Let each vintage piece stand out. Layer textures, hard wood plus soft linen plus metal plus wool, etc. Tell your story. Use heirlooms, framed recipes, or vintage photos. Don't rush. The best vintage rustic farmhouse homes evolve over time. Styling techniques that make it authentic, layering old and older. Use furniture and decor from different eras. A 1920s dresser with a 1940s mirror. Stack vintage suitcases for a bedside table or shelf display. Pair weathered woods with antique mills, like an old wooden bench with old iron legs. Group objects by theme or tone. Connect items like milk jugs, iron stone pitchers, or glass bottles and display them together for visual impact. A trio or old cutting boards on a kitchen wall create this charm and depth. Avoid uniformity. Toned over matte colors, finishes, or patterns. Imperfect symmetry like mismatched dining chairs or bedside tables adds soul. Mixing in elegance or modern elements. You can soften or elevate vintage rustic farmhouse style without losing its identity. Rustic plus elegant, and touches like lace curtains, crystal knobs, or porcelain lamps. Use gold or brass in small doses, picture frames, handles, or candle holders. Mix raw wood with refined upholstery like velvet pillows or tufted benches. Rustic plus modern, introduce matte black fixtures, minimalist lighting, or a clean lined sofa. Use concrete or quarters for counters with rustic oak cabinetry. Display all abstract artwork and mint vintage decor for contrast. The key is balance. Let the rustic elements dominate and sprinkle in modern or elegant accents as highlights. Homemade touches and DIY project ideas. Homemade items bring authentic charm and let you personalize your space evitably. Crochet or knit blankets, cushion covers, and table runners. DIY candle holders from mason jars, tin cans, or old spindles. Reclaimed ladder as blanket rack or hanging display. Distress and repaint old furniture for a time-worn effect. Handwrite labels or signet on chalkboards or wood planks. This style celebrates imperfection and individuality, so your creative projects are a perfect fit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.